Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone. First, you'll drop into a massive map with up to 150 players. Your primary goal is to survive and eliminate all other teams to be the last one standing. Immediately after landing, focus on finding weapons, armor plates, and cash. Use the minimap to track the shrinking safe zone and plan your rotations. Getting familiar with the controls and basic mechanics is crucial for early success. As the match progresses, a deadly gas circle will shrink the playable area, pushing all players closer together. Always stay ahead of the gas to avoid taking damage. You'll find cash scattered around the map and from eliminating enemies. Use this cash at buy stations to purchase armor plates, kill streaks, or even bring back fallen teammates. If you're eliminated early, you get one chance to fight in the Gulag for redeployment. Effective teamwork is vital in Warzone. Always communicate with your squad, using pings to mark enemies, loot, or objectives. Develop a preferred loadout that suits your playstyle, balancing a long-range weapon with a close-quarters option. Pay attention to your surroundings and use cover to your advantage during engagements. Securing high ground often provides a significant tactical edge over opponents. Mastering these elements will greatly improve your chances. Once you've accumulated enough cash, call in a loadout drop to access your custom weapon classes and perks, giving you a significant power boost. Efficiently manage your inventory, ensuring you always have enough armor plates, grenades, and field upgrades. As the final circles close in, positioning becomes paramount. Work with your team to secure a strong position, anticipate enemy movements, and execute your final push for victory. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.